Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about animal homes. Are you ready to find out animal homes? Yes, very good. Let's go on. Learn together. Now tell me, which animal is this? This is cow. Cow lives in a shed. Now, which animal is this? This is lion. Lion lives in a den. Which animal is this? This is horse. Horse lives in a stable. Now tell me, which animal is this? This is rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Which animal is this? This is sheep. Sheep lives in a sheepfold. Which animal is this? This is bees. Bees live in a beehives. Now tell me, which animal is this? This is birds. Birds lives in a nest. So children, today we learned about animal homes. Now it's quiz time. Question 1 is, who lives in nest? Question 2, where does lion lives? Question 3, who lives in burrow? Now you have to answer these questions and send it to me in WhatsApp group. Bye and take care.